Hello young learners, today we are going to see if we can attract some birds to our backyard by making our very own bird seed feeders. So let's get started. You're going to want to find what you want to use to hold the bird seed up. So if you don't have a pine cone, not everybody does, you might be able to find some seed balls or maybe even an old corn cob or even a toilet paper roll as a source to stick your bird seed to. Next, we're gonna get our object a little bit sticky. So traditionally, people have used peanut butter. If you are a peanut-free household, you can always use corn syrup, and that will help stick our bird seed to our object. So let's get started. Now that we have it all covered, our next step is to get our bird seed. You're gonna wanna put a container underneath to catch any of the extra, and we're gonna pour it on. And you have yourself a bird feeder. Now, our next step is to decide where are we gonna hang it so that we can look and see some birds. So now that we have our bird feeder hung up right there, I want to show you a few of the backyard birds that you might find in Northern California. Let's take a look.